Hi everyone, welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host Steve. In this video I'll be featuring Eaglemoss's Aston Martin DB5. I am on issue 12, stage 44. Head on over to my brand new Facebook group that I created for this build specifically. In there you can download that screw chart I talked about in previous issues. So with that, let's get started on stage 44.
James Bond.
Welcome back. Let's look at the instructions for stage 44 for issue 12. For stage 44 we received the right door hinge, retainer, and door lock. We don't actually assemble anything with this issue, but like I was saying, we collect parts to do the assembly in a little bit later issues. So with that, let's look at the parts and I'll be right back. Here's a parts pack for stage 44. Just a small package of parts, nicely protected inside. I'll go ahead and take these out and we'll get a look at them. Here's a close-up of the parts. We received the right door hinge retainer, that's made out of plastic. The right door hinge, that's made out of metal. And the right door lock, and that's made out of plastic. So I'm going to put these aside and we're going to start assembling those in the next couple of issues. And of course the DB5 was used in the film Goldfinger, and it was chosen for its looks, performance, and exclusivity. These are all the parts so far that we received with stage 43 and 44. So I can't wait to get started on 45. That will be in an upcoming video. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't subscribe to my channel already, please subscribe. Hit the bell for all notifications. And head over to Eaglemoss to subscribe to this build. If there's any tools or parts or pieces or supplies that you saw me use during this video, of course I have a Amazon store that you can go to. So I hope to see everybody again soon. Happy modeling everybody, and take care.